This yard didn't have high grass, but a tree overtaken by bird vine, debris, and work beyond the back fence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another satisfying yard transformation. Today, we are looking at a custom package. The services under the silver package is applied twice monthly as per the custom requests. So you choose what services you want and how often you want them. If this is in full customization, then I don't know what is. Outside of the regular subscription package, a request was made to tidy up the tree base. So I got to work on the tree base and I trimmed the leaves as well. Even though the tree base is cleared, the tree itself still needs cleaning because the vine can affect the coconut tree over time. Once I was complete clearing the tree base, I proceeded to weed the remaining parts of the yard, which would be this section behind the back fence and the front yard. I came back on a different day to complete the job, reason being the weather had changed and I was involved in some other activities. This was the last section I had to weed before I did the site cleanup. I also got rid of the branches and the coconuts. All in all, it took me about 4.5 hours to complete the job. If you enjoy content like these, please be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, share if you will, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.